Welcome to another how-to video on vectors for objects in equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Now suppose we have an object under the influence of F1, F2 and F3. For this object to be in equilibrium, basically under the influence of these three forces, the object will not be moving. So how do we draw a vector diagram that represents that? To do this, we just have to shift F1, F2 and F3 such that they form a triangle that goes in a loop. Now what is a triangle in a loop? It will look something like this. How is this a triangle in a loop? Take any point, start tracing, following the arrows of the vectors, and you'll realize that you can actually trace the triangle in a single stroke. Now that is a triangle in a loop. So we'll do this with F1 and F2 and F3 as well, forming a triangle that goes in a loop. It seems that I have to extend my F1 a little, but you get the idea. Now these three vectors are forming a triangle that goes in a loop. Now I'd like to go back to the vector diagram for triangles, and just to show you how this all makes sense together. Now over here I have F2 and F3 forming a nice two strokes of a triangle, right? And it actually flows. So there's a starting point here and an ending point here. Now if you recall the triangle method, all we have to do is to connect an arrow from the start point to the end point, and this is our F resultant. Now if you take a look at the F resultant, you'll realize that it is in the direct opposite of F1. What we have here is F2 and F3 combining together to give us a resultant vector that is downwards. We call this F resultant, and this all makes sense when you place it here and you realize that F1 and F resultant, and this resultant is due to F3 and F2, are going to cancel each other, giving a zero net force, and we can then say this object here is in equilibrium.